KIIT has always been more than just a university. It is a home, a family, and a place of learning, growth, and excellence. In light of the recent tragic incident, KIIT has taken swift and necessary actions to ensure the safety, peace, and well-being of our students. A dedicated 24/7 control room has been set up to support our Nepali students, ensuring they feel secure and heard. Disciplinary actions have been taken against staff members whose actions did not align with KIIT's values. Most Nepali students have returned to regular classes and more are continuing to rejoin, reaffirming their faith in the institution. With classes running in full swing and not a single session missed, KIIT continues to be a place of trust, respect, and care. KIIT is KIIT. It stands strong, tall, and unshaken. Our academic calendar remains uninterrupted, with students and faculty fully engaged in learning, research, and innovation. In just the last 10 days, KIIT has continued to thrive, hosting major events like the East Zone Inter-University Cricket Championship, which saw an incredible participation of 72 universities with 1,600 players and officials.
KIIT को थैंक यू बोलना चाहेंगे, इन्होंने इतना अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइज किया इस टूर्नामेंट को.
And two major